everyone, it's Kira, one of the Autodesk student ambassadors, and we have a 3D model to get reviewing right now. Okay, so I just got my design back from Autodesk, and it's in this box right here, and it's opened, as you saw. I just opened it, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. A little rewind on things. The Autodesk education team sent us some CAD models to design and make our own. I received a robot model. I'm a little bit worried that things might not be together, especially because I tried a lot of different new things in the sculpting environment within Fusion 360. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm holding the first part of the model in my hands, and I'm a little bit worried because the original CAD model has wheels, so let's go ahead and see. Okay, so this looks like to be the base of the model. Some of the things I was trying to do in here was expand these wings out a little bit more, as well as create these little fine-tune things and embed the word Autodesk on there. And then I didn't really know where to go with this model, if I wanted to make it like more spaceship-like than a robot model. So I added like some components down here, but it looks like I missed some sizing measurements here. What's really interesting is it looks like one side was replicated fairly well in terms of what I was trying to do. And then we take a look on the other side here, and it looks like my duplicate pattern may have not actually duplicated. So that was definitely a me thing. I'm still learning Fusion. Let's take a look at the bottom part. Now this is actually really cool. This is using generative design, one of Fusion's newer implementations of trying to explore designs. So we have some Mecanum wheels here, the generative design base. This actually held up fairly well. I personally didn't make too many modifications, and this side looks like it was implemented okay, but we'll go ahead and have to read some of our notes. So according to the notes from the Autodesk education team, the 3D model was pretty complex, especially with the firing assembly underneath the body and the Mecanum wheels. This model wasn't printed as one piece, although that could have been possible. There was quite a lot of supported material required, and it actually took a few times, multiple printing in fact, to actually print the entire design. So if we took a look at the body, the print was attempted twice, with each print being over 24 hours. Alright, thanks for reviewing the CAD model with me. I had a lot of fun working on this project, and it was really good to be able to experience something firsthand with 3D printers. One thing that's really cool about the Autodesk education team is they release so many assets available to students for free. So I encourage you to go check out Autodesk Fusion 360. You can download it for free. You can have your friends download it for free, or even hobbyists. And a lot of those designs from many of the student ambassadors will be on there.